out here. I got Steve with me. I don't think he's ever ran a Mini X, but I guess he's about to learn, so we'll see how that goes. I lost my gloves last night. I left them on the bed and they disappeared. See if he knows what he's doing. He's got it running. Lost yet?
Nope. Oh, it's got air conditioning.
Yeah.
Nice.
Wouldn't be Mikey's machine if it didn't have AC. There's a safety switch someplace you gotta unlock. So that's unlocked, that's locked in.
Oh, so this has probably gotta be down there.
Yes, there you go. So you gotta pick your blade up off the ground. It should be your left stick. Look at you. One of the sticks, bring up oscillating bucket. All right. That's for doing the swales. There you go. Bring that up. And then you shouldn't need to put it down because it's got the apron right there that dips down. And you want to spin the whole thing around. I think it's the right stick. That's your tracks. So I'm thinking when we load it, oh, maybe it's this one. There you go. I'm thinking when we load it, we'll put it up with the blade toward the back. You can use that as stability. These things get real fucking tippy. Got a slight dip right here, so curl your bucket in, lower that down, not all the way because it'll smack down, come up a little bit, and just creep real slow coming off of it.
I'm backwards, see? Forward is backwards, backwards is forward.
Bucket up a little more. drop that blade down, not all the way, just some.
I'll just move it, but it's your license, so you roll it.
Oh.
You load it.
It's my license.
Yeah, it's your license, not my license, so you should be loading.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm not going to be responsible for your license.
Nope. Alright, let's see. Fold the arm in.
Yeah, well, you're right over the light bar, so you're going to hit the light bar.
Alright, let's see. That's my back blade. That's the horn. That's the bucket. There it is. Get them chains out from under the blade. Just winch in some. I do.
You know what you should have did? Should have hooked the chains in here first.
I thought about that.
And then roll it down a smidge to tighten them, and then use ratchet binders on that end.
Man, it ain't too late. I got room.
Yeah, that's what I would do. It's just a suggestion. You know, if we had a bigger flatbed, it would be better for the equipment.
Yeah. Nope. Ah.
Get a better grip that way. That $25,000 one that built in New York,
Ah.
that would be perfect for moving equipment like this.
Yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh.
What? He's gonna be like, you know, the flatbed handle for this thing over here, this price at $500 a month would have been much easier. Remember, you should always roll that in all the way first.
Yeah. If I have it too far down when it's on the gear, it'll push the truck forward, so I gotta bring it up just a little bit.
Should close this door. Is that door gonna open?
It's latched in.
Oh, it won't break?
The only thing that blows this chain is 3 chains on one bridle. The Mustang.
You know they come off, right?
I do.
Take a center punch that out, it'll come off.
Huh.
You only got 1 rack.
I got 3. The way the guy, the old dude showed me when we moved the Bobcat, you run it through, hook it to itself over there through the blade, bring it over here, drop the chain down in here, make a little U, just hook the fucking binder to that. So I don't really got no place to hook the binder to.
Alright. I'll let you do your thing.
Not that
Yeah, all
thing.
you need is a punch and a handle.
Huh. Ah, shit. Too fat. The other one's got hooks like that. Fuck. Alright. Pull it. Just hooked it to the bed there. Talk would hate this. Far. Yeah.
Every operator before the
Get these things right. Alright, let's get this thing off. Hey, how you doing? Good. Didn't see you there. You spooked me a little bit. Didn't see you there. You spooked me a little bit. You're good. So, Mikey's on his way here. I'm just gonna get it off the truck.
Yep.
I could probably park it where you want it at.
You can just probably leave it right here if that's easy.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I can put it wherever you want it. But.
Yeah, this is fine. I mean, I can pull it in the driveway.
Okay.
So once you leave, I'll move the cars. I just don't know where to put them.
I got you. Yeah, he's on his way here. He should be here any minute, and then he'll get it finalized wherever you want it.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, you're good. J-hooks off. call that good. So we'll call that good till he gets here.
Thank you again for doing it.
Oh, it's not a problem. I used to work for him.
That's what he said. He's like, I know someone who can bring it.
Yeah.
And I was like, just tell me what we need to do. So.
Yeah. He said we'll get squared up here. So you want to do Cash App or?
Yeah, is that the easiest?
Yeah, that'll work out. All right, that's dropped. I'm paid. It's all loaded up. That's not my normal ordeal. We got a new guy that's been training that's taking over the IAAs for the most part. So, oh shit. So he's doing that. Luckily, I don't got to go to Richmond again this week. And then I'm pretty much staying local today. We'll see what else comes to plan, but that'll be all for this video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, thanks for watching. Drop me a sub. And that'd be it.